Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. Looks like Mother Nature struck again, pal. Decided to come by here and just lay a log on the home, buddy. Anyways, boys, you can see the tree came down, hit here, destroyed some of the shingles, mangled the gutters, some of the soffits, the fascias. We're here on insurance repair. We're gonna be replacing some of it, but not everything, boys, okay? We're gonna have her looking pretty as your prom date, pal. There she is, boys. Few hours of fun there, pal. With full Humpty Dumpty on it, bud. Put her back together again. On to the next one, lads. Carry on.